It's not about paying less, it's about keeping more of what you earn. Ever noticed how you add that extra item on your food delivery cart just to avoid delivery charges? We are presenting a similar strategy that may work in your favor. Introducing the Bandhan Income Plus Arbitrage Fund of Funds. This fund allocates up to 65% to high quality debt through Bandhan Corporate Bond Fund, with the remaining 35% in Bandhan Arbitrage Fund. Now you may ask why this mix? When the debt portion is less than 65%, you qualify for a preferential tax rate of just 12.5% on long-term capital gains if you stay invested for more than 24 months or above. It may potentially deliver 24% higher post-tax returns than a traditional debt fund. The corporate bond fund component maintains high asset quality with 100% sovereign or AAA equivalent securities with an average maturity of 1 to 4 years. Meanwhile, the arbitrage component offers fully hedged equity exposure with relatively minimal directional risk. For mature investors seeking relatively stable returns with tax efficiency, this fund offers an effective average maturity of 0.5 to 2.5 years with no exit load. It's not about paying less, it's about keeping more of what you earn.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.